Hello, my dear students of class 11 geography. This video is on chapter 1 India location from the book India Physical Environment. This is the second book of class 11. Its weightage as a theory paper is of 35 marks. This book is about the geography of India according to the regional approach and includes its location, size, physiographic divisions, climate, natural vegetation and soil, as well as natural hazards and disasters. So this is the first chapter in which we need to know about India's location, geographical location and size, and its implications also. When we talk about the location of a country, then we certainly mean its location in terms of latitude and longitude first, and then with other reference we explain the location. Latitude, so on the globe you might be acquainted with the lines of latitude and longitude. If any country or any place is between two latitude and between two longitude, similarly India's location, if we talk, India is a vast country and the mainland of India, mainland I mean excluding the island groups, we find the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes, and from 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. From north to south is expressed in terms of latitude. So from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, India's latitudinal extent is from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. So Kanyakumari, the line touching to the Kanyakumari will be 8 degree 4 minutes, while the border line of Kashmir in the north is 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. So India's mainland is located between these two latitudes. However, the island group, namely the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lying in the Bay of Bengal, extend up to 6 degree 45 minutes north latitudes. But the mainland extends only between 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. When we talk about longitudes, then right from east to longitudes talk about the east-west expansion. So from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, India lies between 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. However, India has two groups of islands, Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. The last island, that is named as Indira Point, the last border line of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend up to 6 degree 45 minutes north, that is very near to equator, 0 degree. One more landmark, geographical landmark, that is the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude, that divides India into two almost equal parts. This is an important landmark of India. However, if you see the coastal boundary, coastline is not the ultimate boundary of a country. Wherever we have sea and the sea coast, so from the sea coast up to 12 nautical mile If we convert it into kilometer, that becomes 21.9 kilometer from the coast. That becomes the final territorial boundary of the country in the area of sea. Like from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, and again from Kanyakumari to West Bengal, we have vast seas along the coast. And so in the coastal areas, the India's territorial limit goes up to 12 nautical mile from the coast. So this is a brief idea about, information about the location of India on the globe. Now little explanation about the latitudinal and longitudinal extension. We find the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, and from 68 degree 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degree 25 minutes longitude. If we find the difference, I mean we find the north-south expanse of India in the term of latitude and east-west expanse of India in term of longitude, we find about 29 degree 2 minutes expanse of, latitudinal expanse of the mainland mass, and 29 degree 18 minutes expanse of longitude from east to west in term of longitude. But roughly we can say that India has 30 degree latitudinal and longitudinal extent from north to south and east to west. But if we see the actual distance measured in kilometer from north to south, then actual distance of the north and south extremity of India is 3,214 kilometer from north to south, from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. And that from east to west is only 2,933 kilometer. We have seen that latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the country are almost same, are roughly 30 degree, 129 degree 2 minutes and 29 degree 18 minutes, roughly 30 degree. But in the actual distance, when we express it in kilometer, then the north-south extent is longer, much longer than the east-west extent. I mean, when we express it in term of kilometer, we find they are different, and east-west expanse is smaller than north-south extent. In fact, this difference is due to the fact that distance between two longitudes is roughly 111 kilometer at equator, and it remains same everywhere, but its value is constant up to poles, because the parallels of latitude have equal distance between them. But when we talk longitude, if we talk about the longitude, then longitudes are semicircles on the globe, and it forms 90 degree angle at the equator. So it maintains the maximum distance between the two longitude at interval of 1 degree at equator. So at equator, its 1 degree longitude is also about 111 kilometer. But as we proceed to the poles, as we move to the poles, it goes on decreasing. It goes on decreasing, and at pole its measurement will be 0 kilometer, because all converge there at a single point. And so what we find, that the value of 1 degree longitude keep on varying. That varies from equator to poles. So in spite of having 30 degree longitude, since the measurement goes on decreasing from equator to poles, it falls short of the latitudinal extent in kilometer. So the value of 1 degree latitude is roughly 111 kilometer, and this is constant throughout the globe, throughout the earth. But this is not the case with longitude. Longitude has maximum distance between the between the two longitude at interval of 1 degree at equator, that is of 111 kilometer, but as we proceed to the poles it goes on decreasing. So its value also in kilometer also it decreases. So on the other hand, distance between so, and that is the reason that there is a variation in the actual distance from north to south and east to west, in spite of having almost 30-degree latitudinal and longitudinal expanse between the two extremities between north and south and east and west. Thank you.